Hello, I'm Jay from Volunteer Audio, and today I'm making a short video to show you some new grill options for those 24 and up base model bikes. So if you've got a 2024 Harley-Davidson Road Glide or Street Glide, you've been wanting some new grills because those plastic factory ones just aren't going to cut it. And at Volunteer Audio, I have two new options for you. So watch the video to find out more. All right, let's start by showing you the new Street Glide grill. So we have two options. If you got a Cicada audio system, we have a Cicada front grill. If you have a Hertz audio system, we have a Hertz logoed front grill. Both of these are available at Volunteer Audio, both for the same price. They're $115 a pair. They're extra heavy duty. They're metal. They're powder coated. They've got all the clips and hardware you need. Beautifully built grills, so much better than the plastic ones that you get from the factory. And look at this. We've also got those Road Glide grills. So if you got a new Road Glide, you get it with the Hertz logo or the Cicada logo. Again, gaskets installed, clips installed, ready to bolt on. I know so many of you have been reaching out. You've been asking, when are those front grills going to be available? Well, they're available right now at volunteeraudio.com. Go there. You can find them in the grill category. You can also find them on our As Seen on YouTube category on the front page or on Facebook. They're also going to be tagged in this video. So if you saw something pop up, they're going to be, just click that link or look at the link in the description of this video, whether you're on Facebook or YouTube, there'll be a link taking you straight to these at volunteeraudio.com. So great deal because the factory grills are ridiculously expensive, and who wants to have those factory logos on it when you can get one that matches your audio system? Thank you for your patience as these came to market, and we've got plenty of them in stock right now, but that doesn't mean we'll have enough of them maybe a couple weeks from now, because I know a lot of you are going to reach out and go ahead and get a set of these on order. $115 a pair. Free shipping only at volunteeraudio.com. If you want to get a whole package with our A to B interface, listen, those A to B interfaces are going on sale. That's starting now. We're going to do another video covering that, but our full systems are on sale, and now you can add these grills to those systems as well. If you need help picking out that perfect system, give us a call, 1-844-30-AUDIO, to talk to our sales team about your bike, your build, your budget. Make sure you get all the parts you need the first time. Now, I know many of y'all are going to ask me, what about those drop-in subwoofers? Hey, they're coming soon, and just like these grills, as soon as they're available, there'll be another video to cover that and to tell you more about it as we launch pre-orders, and I hope to be able to do that very, very soon. Subscribe to Volunteer Audio to hear the latest about Harley Audio as it comes out. Things like that new drop-in sub when it comes out, like these grills as they came out. We'll show you new products, how to install them, how to use them. Make sure you get the right part the first time. Also, like this video, and don't forget to hit that little notification icon. You're going to want to get notified when those new videos come out, and you're going to want to find out as these new products hit the shelves. All right, comment below. Let me know what you think about these new options, about new grills. I know you hate those factory plastic ones, and I can't wait to see some pictures from all of y'all. Share it about your new grills as you get them installed. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, God bless.